Science and technology are developing extremely fast, and we are in an era of knowledge explosion. Be clear of the principles and concepts so as to keep abreast of new knowledge in science and technology developments in this lifelong self-learning journey. One also needs to be creative and be open to new ideas, criticisms, and challenges. And it is through these criticisms and challenges that one will be able to go deeper into science and become more solid, robust, and strong. As said in the Analects of Confucius, knowing it is not as good as loving it, and loving it is not as good as delighting in it. We shall bring out the passion in students and foster the joy of learning, because once they delight in it, they will immerse in the joy of research and be able to learn faster and better.